eMMC versus UFS, which one is better? What is eMMC? The legacy standard. eMMC, or Embedded Multimedia Card, is a widely used and mature flash storage solution found predominantly in budget and mid-range smartphones, as well as many tablets and low-cost laptops. Like UFS, it combines the flash memory chips and the controller into a single integrated package. A simple and cost-effective design. eMMC gained popularity because it is cost-effective and simple to integrate onto a device's motherboard. Its compact size and reliable, if modest, performance made it the standard for mobile devices for over a decade. The half-duplex limitation. The key architectural limitation of eMMC is its half-duplex communication interface. This means the storage can only perform one action at a time. It can either read data or write data, but never both simultaneously. This parallel structure is the primary reason eMMC struggles with modern multitasking. The UFS advantage: speed and efficiency. While eMMC relies on its simple, one-way system, UFS, universal flash storage, was engineered specifically to overcome these limitations, resulting in substantial real-world performance gains. Full duplex, the two-way street. UFS utilizes a serial interface that supports full duplex communication. This allows data to be read and written simultaneously, dramatically speeding up complex operations. For instance, a UFS chip can install an app update in the background while quickly loading a new level in a game in the foreground. Command queuing for better multitasking. UFS also includes command queuing, CQ, a feature absent in eMMC. CQ allows the phone's processor to send a batch of read and write requests to the storage chip, which the chip then efficiently reorders and executes. eMMC, lacking this, must wait for one command to finish before starting the next, leading to noticeable system lag during heavy use. The real-world performance gap. The theoretical differences translate into a massive gap in daily user experience, especially in three key areas. Speed comparison, eMMC 5.1 versus UFS 3.1. The fastest version of eMMC, eMMC 5.1, generally caps out around 250 to 400 MB per second sequential read speeds. A modern UFS standard, like UFS 3.1, delivers sequential read speeds of over 1500 MB per second, often making it several times faster. This speed difference directly impacts how quickly apps launch and large files are transferred. Boot time and app loading. Phones with UFS will boot up faster and load heavy applications and games quicker than their eMMC counterparts. This is due to the UFS standard's ability to handle multiple small data requests, random read-write operations, far more efficiently, making the smart choice today. The verdict for consumers. In modern smartphones, UFS is the clear superior technology for anyone prioritizing speed, multitasking, and a smooth user experience. However, eMMC is still a cost-effective and reliable solution for entry-level devices where the priority is low manufacturing cost over peak performance. If you want a noticeable speed boost, check the specifications. UFS is the modern standard to look for.